Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that iOS 17 stuck on estimating time remaining on iPhone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Turn on and off airplane mode. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Hit the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait for a minute and then tap on the airplane icon to turn it off. Solution 2. Force quiet the Settings app. Swipe up from the home bar and then hold along the middle of the screen. Then swipe up the app card to force quiet the app. Solution 3. Turn off and on Wi-Fi. For that, launch Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Next, turn off Wi-Fi. Now reboot your device and then turn on the Wi-Fi. Solution 4. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 5. Disable low power mode. To disable, open Settings app. Find and tap on battery. Next, turn off the toggle for low power mode if it's turned on. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Resetting the network settings resets your Wi-Fi, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To reset, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.